Okay, so we got everything going. The Salisbury steak. Look, the cube steak is still on simmer because I want to melt in your mouth. So I have it all the way on low. Now we're going to do this macaroni and cheese real quick. I am ready to go upstairs. I've been down here on the phone, chatting it up with my mother-in-law. My mother called. Yeah. We sent them some edible fruit baskets just because. And they both, I had to call and make sure Mom got hers in Buffalo because I got an email. They set it on the porch, and I gave them instructions to make sure she comes to the door or to call her number, right? They did nothing. So thank God the guy that was doing the house saw it and brought it to her, you know? But they were very nice and excited about their little fruit, the little edible fruits. Just because. If you have a just because, send something special. Even if it's a card or something, make somebody's day because it made their day.
Did the mother get hurt?
Yeah, she said it made her day. She's smiling. She almost had a little tear come out of her eye. She wants you to call her, by the way, Art, to say. She wanted to say thank you. She wanted you to call her. She said, y'all gonna make me cry. That's right. You only get one mom, you know. So every now and then we do it just because for our mothers, you know. You could do it for your aunt, your sisters, your brothers. Send something. It don't have to be nothing expensive. It could be a car or call and sing. I just called to say I love you. You'd be surprised. Now let's get to this here because I want to go upstairs now. Okay, so I got 3 eggs here. I got my noodles here. I got all my cheeses. So I got the melted butter. I have 3 eggs with salt and pepper. Right? You gotta season these eggs, y'all. Some people don't use the eggs. Right? Put that in there.
The ultimate love is always there. You gotta always know that. The ultimate, God's love is God's love.
Oh, and he's talking to Mom. He's talking to my mother now. We just got off the phone with his mother.
Crazy times, though.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta tell the ones we love, we love them.
That's right.
What's gonna happen tomorrow is crazy.
So I find it better to use my hands when I do this, y'all. I'm gonna use my hands. Because to me, I feel like I'm getting every nook and cranny of it all. So. And, oh, excuse me. Right? A little mustard, just a little.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, well, you know, it's a blessing to us, you know, to be able to do it, you know, so. Yeah. All right. Yo.
Huh?
Yeah, I just talked to your mother.
Ah, yeah. My mom love her some art. I gotta tell ya, my mother love her son-in-law. You hear me? She say he's sensible.
I want to thank your mother for having a son like you. So bad I want to say. I mean, you know how I do, honey. So bad I want to say whatever cities I did.
Art is funny, y'all. So I have some mustard cheese. Let me tell you, when y'all get this mustard cheese and put in here, it makes the difference. It makes a difference. Do you hear me? Because you know this got a lot of taste to it, huh? And the oils that come out of here. Ooh, make sure you use mustard cheese too, right? So I'm going to quickly put that in there. That mustard cheese bring out that mac and ooh, child, it be the mustard cheese that be doing it for me. Yes, sir. Oh, it be so cheesy and buttery. Huh? We used to put this in the broiler with make our toast, put some the bread and put the mustard cheese and stick it in the broiler. Oh, my God. Huh? We could never keep mustard cheese in our house when we were small. I think I want to do a little more. I like it real cheesy, so I want to do just maybe, let's see, one, maybe two more. Yeah. Just fold it on up like so, and right. This does it when I tell you. I mean, I could go on and on how awesome Munster cheese is in your mac and cheese. Okay, so let's get that in there. Right? Put your cheddar in there. This is the sharp cheese. I'm going to use my hands. It's just better, it's easier to get it the way you want. Alright. Now I'm going to take and pour it in here and finish it off, okay? I'm going to finish it off in this pan. Let me just get in this pan real quick, guys. And I'll be back at you. I'll be back at you. Let me get it in the pan real quick. And then I get to freeze half of this. Maybe. Sometimes stuff don't make the freeze in here. Sometimes it just don't make the cut. So let me clean up this mess. And I'm going to bring y'all to it. Okay. It's hefty. It is hefty. But that's okay. Okay. Now we're going to put the mozzarella in here. Let me turn it so you can see it. We're going to take and put the mozzarella. And I'm going to put this on a cookie sheet because it will spill over because I have it jam-packed as always. I always jam-pack this. So. And it comes out really good. Comes out very good, right? And then we're gonna put our Colby Jack in here. And what I do, guys, I tie it down. When I make it full like this here, I tighten the foil paper on it. Open it up a little bit. Let the cheese get down in there. Open it up. Can you see that? Wait. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do our Colby Jack. Start this one at the bottom here, at the edge. Cover it up. Put some in the middle. Cover that up. Move it. Put some at the other end. Cover. See? Hit all four corners. Then just take your hand and just turn it upside down a little bit. Like you're massaging it. And all I'm doing is lifting up and pushing over. I'm lifting up and pushing over. So that way I know that this is at the bottom. Everything is evenly distributed. I lift it up and I push it over. All that love in the hands, baby. Yep. And there we have it. Let me get my... It's a little sloppy over here, but it's worth it. It's a little sloppy. There we got it. Yep. There you have it. Let me wash my hands a little bit. And there you have it. Alright. Lastly, we're going to take this butter and we're going to pour that butter all over there. Yes. We got a little spill over here. Every bit counts, so I want to get off. I need all of that off of there. Okay. Then the rest of it's no good, so we'll get rid of that. Right? There you have it. That's that. A bunch of goodness. So I want to make sure that it's all down where it needs to be. It's evenly distributed. Yes, sir. Perfect. That is perfect. Oh yeah. See, it works good for me when I use my hands because I pile it up, but when I put the foil on it, bring it down, I just want to make sure everything is evenly, the cheese is all the way down the bottom there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And the butter's down the bottom. Because if it's not, then you want to massage it all the way in there. So I lift it up and push some down. Lift it up and push it down. Little method there, little method there. To make sure. Because I like it thick and real cheesy. Yep. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to get the milk and put the milk in here. And in the oven it's going to go. Hold up. There you go. Get that Munster cheese. So, okay. So, wait a minute. Oh, that's sweetened condensed milk? No. 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 Okay, guys, we're gonna have to hold up on the milk thing because I only have a little bit of milk. I need some condensed milk, canned milk. So
You need some what?
when that's over, can you get me canned milk, please?
Some canned milk?
Yeah.
I don't get it now.
I only had sweet condensed canned milk. I don't know why I had that. I wasn't baking nothing. But anyway, husband is gonna go get me some canned milk. And we'll pour that in there, and we're just gonna put it in the oven, so you don't need to actually see that. The only thing I'm gonna do is put the milk in here and cover it real tight and put it in the oven on 375
All right, I'll be right
until
back.
it starts bubbling. Make sure it's not sweet milk, babe, because I made a mistake and picked up sweet milk.
Huh?
I made a mistake and picked up sweet milk.
Evaporated milk, right?
Just regular canned milk.
Evaporated, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Because I know he was in there watching sports. I thought I had everything I need, so I didn't have to do that. All right, so you'll see the finished product after we get the canned milk and stuff. I'm going to clean up. I got a mess over here. And then I'll show you the finished product when everything is done. But get you some mustard cheese. Huh? Get you some mustard. All right, guys. Share the video, please. Bye.